Ew. I'm almost embarrassed to tell you guys that I chose this, but oh well. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video because, yep, you guessed it. Today is my Fabfitfun Winter 2022 unboxing. So if you want to know what I got in this box, and it feels pretty light actually, then keep on watching. This water bottle, Smart Water, in passion fruit mango. I tried it and I don't like the taste. And I'm not a flavored water type of gal. I love just plain water. I feel like only water can quench my thirst. This one isn't doing it for me. If you guys like flavored water, I don't recommend this flavor. This tastes like rotten mangoes. So I don't know. I don't know about this one. And I usually love anything mango, but if you like flavored water, Smart Water is the way to go. I got this free from my Fabfitfun box. I'm not sure how I got it free. I'm assuming everyone got it, but anyways, you guys are here for my winter unboxing. Love this box. I love the blue. It's been a while since we've had kind of like a blue themed Fabfitfun box like this. This is kind of like, you know, like apartment buildings or city life. This just reminds me of, like, I don't know, maybe New York. Shout out to my friend Vanessa from Vanessa Beauty, who's from New York. But yeah, I love this. I really love the style and design, like a winter wonderland theme. There's the snow, and yes. Any of you guys going to the snow this season? I think this year is like the first time that everyone is finally going out, going on vacation, and I miss the snow. I haven't seen the snow in like 2.5 years. It'd be nice to see the snow this year. If you guys haven't heard of Fabfitfun, this is a seasonal subscription box. 4 times a year. You get one in the winter, spring, summer, and fall season. You get 4 boxes a year. I'll put the pricing of each of the boxes here. So you get a discount for paying for the whole year upfront. And the pricing has gone up, like with everything else nowadays. Everything is just more expensive now. In the subscription box, you get about 6 to 8 items in the box, depending on what bundles or single items you choose. But if you are a seasonal member, you get to choose 4 items in your box. And if you are a annual member like myself, where you pay upfront for the whole year, you get to choose every single item in your box, and you get your box sooner. So first customization, guys. Customization 1, I got the bow. Right here underneath, I got the Bow Comfort Kitchen Dual Salt and Pepper Mill. So I thought I would update my salt and pepper shakers in my kitchen. And I think this is such a modern twist and design. And it fits exactly like the color theme in my kitchen. So I decided to get it. Let me set this box right here. And I'm gonna set this one away. So it looks like this. It's got salt and pepper option. I think you fill it up this way. Yep, you fill it up in here. One is salt, one is pepper. Hopefully they don't mix. And then you have 2 buttons, one that says S, one says P for pepper, and then you just press and then it comes out. You also have different settings under here. You can set it to how coarse or how finely milled you want the salt to be. So I love that. It's stainless steel, silver. Hopefully this is a good brand. It's $49 normally, but I got it in my box. So wow, amazing value. Next item in the box is a big one. Let me get this out. And I kind of pre-opened them already just so it's easier. This is a Fila flexible back extender. Okay, you guys know I have back problems. I have chronic back problems, more like shoulder back area. But I thought this would be very useful. You set this up. I kind of started it, and you have 3 settings of how bent you want this board to be. So it bends over into 3 settings like that. And so this curves in this way like this, and then you lay down on it, and you have that kind of acupuncture massage at the same time. These pointy things are pretty sharp, but I don't think they're gonna hurt. I feel like they're gonna be so good on your back. Now this is valued at $50. However, a friend of mine did look this up, and I'm not sure if it's the same style, but they said it was like around $15 for sale at the Fila website or maybe Amazon. So sometimes we have to consider that FabFitFun kind of ups the pricing on these items. Hopefully not. I mean, for the most part, it's always been very true to price from my experience, but just, you know, just be aware. Oh, okay. So this doubles up. You can either lay down on this or you can put this on the back of your chair. So then you have the strap to strap it around your chair, and then it's like gonna be a nice kind of ergonomic massage, I guess, while you're at work. I think this is so functional and useful for, especially in this day and age, right? I will be talking about my add-ons separately at the end of this video, or maybe I'll have a different video depending on how long it is. But next one is, the next item in my box is my Tagalong's Vitamin Organizer. I love this velvety pouch that it comes in. This is by the brand My Tagalongs, and it's like around $22. But look at that. It secures nicely into this pouch, and you have like 7 days morning and 7 days evening for your medications, your whatever you're taking, your vitamins, all of that stuff. And I feel like this is so useful. Sometimes I forget to take my meds. I have another one at home like this, but it's kind of big and chunky, too big to bring on a trip. Now this doubles up as something I could bring on a trip with me and also just to keep at home. But I love the velvety texture of this pouch. Love it. And no one will know. No one will know that you're taking all these meds, right? They're just in this very convenient pouch. So highly recommend this. I'm very pleased with how this looks, and it's the size most especially. I was looking for something very compact, and this was great. Next item in my box is the Karuna Drench and Tone Duo 4-piece sheet mask set. Now, Karuna has been in our FabFitFun box before, and I loved it. I think I got like the Monday through Sunday kind of set last season. So there's one that tones and there's one that moisturizes. So you get a set of 4. This one is made of peony prickly pear. It is for balancing and moisturizing the skin. And then this one is made of black hoof mushroom and antioxidants. This is great for anti-aging and for toning the skin. I wonder if I can like use this and then this together. Okay, the 5th item in my box is the Laneige Lip Treatment Lip Balm. And okay, I have a gazillion lip balms, but I don't have this one. The thing is, it has this fancy lip balm applicator that attaches to the lip balm itself. So it's that little dot right there. You pull it out, and it has a silicone applicator. So I tried this last night. See, I already made a dent to it. I love the scent, by the way. That's what I remember. I love these scented lip balms, and look how fancy this is. I thought that the silicone applicator was gonna be sharp or stiff, but I love using it to apply on my lips. It just applies the lip balm so perfectly. This one is the perfect travel-friendly companion. The 6th item in my box is, I'm almost embarrassed to tell you guys that I chose this, but oh well, you know you want one. This is the Awaken Arousal Intimacy Oil by Fabfitfun. This is made up of organic botanicals, and the main ingredient is steeped kava root, if you guys have ever heard of that. But yeah, it's supposed to heighten arousal. It's 100% natural plant-based ingredient. I looked at customization 6, and honestly, there was not a single thing that I wanted in that customization. Although if I didn't want anything, I should have thought about gifting. I just couldn't find anything else that I wanted, and this seemed interesting. Anyways, I'm not gonna update you on this. So that is everything in my box. Only 6 items. What do you guys think? I don't know, now that I laid it all out for you, this is a $50 box. Is it worth the $50? Okay, yeah, it's about $200. So these items are pretty expensive, but sometimes when I think about what I can buy from Home Goods, you know, sometimes these salt and pepper shakers could be like around $10 to $15, not the $49 price range. So I think that's a little inflated right there. So that is everything in my FabFitFun box. What do you guys think? I think my add-ons are better. Are you guys ready for it? All right. Add-ons, guys, are basically in each customization, you can choose more than one item in your box, but there's an additional charge per customization if you add, and it's usually very affordable, like additional $15 to $8 depending on the item. First item in the box, I'll just grab the smallest one right here, is a nail file by London Town. Oh my gosh, I don't think it's a glass nail file. Wait a minute. I always restock on my glass nail files, and I always get them from FabFitFun. Next one, I always stock up on my Spongel. This is the all-in-one body treatment, body wash, and buffer. And this is in the scent Berry Glaze. I love the packaging. Packaging always gets me. But I love this because you get 2 for 11 bucks, which is cheaper than getting 1 for 7. So I just always get this for myself. Oh, highly recommend Berry Glaze, guys. I love the scent. If I wanted to gift these, I prefer getting the individually packaged ones. But every time I get those, I end up gifting them and I never leave them for myself. So I know at least this one, this is gonna be for me. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And of course, if you have the women's buffer, you also have the men's buffer. This is all-in-one body treatment, and this is in the scent Verbena Absolute. Ooh, it smells so good. And then, okay, I also got the Chinese Laundry Los Angeles slippers. I love these. I got them in the extra small because I have small feet. Very comfortable, very durable if you wanted to walk around for outdoors. For our vacation this month, we are going to be staying at a cabin, and I feel like this is perfect for walking around in the cabin. The Chinese Laundry one is an add-on, and it is $40, these slippers. I have these already, but I get them every year. Yee! This one, the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs, and they're a set of 2. I think I've showed them again last year in my winter FabFitFun box. I get them because I love gifting this to my grandparents or even friends. Like, this is such a nice fancy cup. Okay, let me just show you the design if I could get it out. There it is. So pretty, and it has like the Lily Pulitzer logo there. Okay, so yep, I will be gifting this to someone again. This is a $42 ceramic mug, and if you haven't heard of Lily Pulitzer, it's a pretty fancy brand. I want to say I got this for like $10, but retail price is around $50 for a set of 2. So I know someone will be excited to get this. Next item in the box, guys, are these Daily Concepts lip scrubber. And yes, so I love these. I was thinking about gifting them to someone. These were like $2 or $3 a piece, and normally this is an $8 item. So it's a silicone scrub, and you just go like this to scrub your lips. I love these. I think they're super needed, especially during the winter time. It's great at scrubbing and taking away those dead skin on your lips, but at the same time, it's super soft. So I love the feel of this. I'm keeping one, and then this one, gifting it to someone. Maybe I'll put like a lip balm to go with it or something like that. Okay, a quick slick by INH. I have grown to love the INH brand. Okay, so I've only used one item, but basically it blew me away. The INH like anti-frizz kind of oil or serum. Every time I use that hair serum, I get compliments. It gives me that extra shiny hair, takes away the frizz, especially during the winter time, but it also makes my hair look super healthy without weighing it down or making it look oily or greasy. So I love that serum. This one, it's a quick slick. So I think this is the one that's gonna just make it really look flat. I was thinking I have a lot of baby hairs, like they're always standing up right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I figured if I put one, like if I would just comb through it like this, and this looks like a mascara brush actually, I think it will tone down all of those little baby hairs that are standing up like this. And then I stocked up on Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. This is one of our go-tos, my son and I, and since both of us are using it, we go through it super fast. Actually, he uses it most of the time, but I still use this, and I know this is something that we both like. Especially, this is great for acne-prone skin, and it's an exfoliator. It may be abrasive to some folks, depending on your skin type, but you know what? I stand by this. I really love it. The last item is what I am most excited about because I've never tried anything from Hourglass, and they are the Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Lipstick. Okay, guys. This looks like a lipstick and a self-defense weapon at the same time. It's so fancy. Okay, so I think it goes like this, right? And then here's the bullet right there. Oh my gosh, so pretty, so pretty. But I will put a picture of the swatches here somewhere or over here. I got the color At Night and the color I Am. So At Night is the deeper lip shade. So afraid I'll break this. On a daily basis, I would probably use the I Am. Okay, this looks like the darker one. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. If anyone sees you carrying this, I mean, they just know. Like, they know you know makeup, right? I mean, this is not a new thing from Hourglass. It's been out for so long, but I can't afford Hourglass. Let's see how much it costs. This lipstick is $39. The good thing is it's refillable. So that means that you can just purchase this part right here. I think you twist it and this part comes off, the bullet part. There's the name of the lippy. You just pretty much buy this part right here from Sephora when you're ready to refill. That's pretty unique about this brand compared to other brands. So yes, I love that I got this. And that is everything in my FabFitFun box, guys, as well as my FabFitFun add-ons. What do you guys think? Did you like the items in my box? Do you think it's worth it? Guys, comment down below what your favorite item is. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. That would really, really help me out. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.